Maurice Babwe, you see, what is happening right now is very, very interesting. And I thank you, Kuwa Pamuzinda Weban, when you Super Nexus. So, what is happening? You know, vanoburikira vanhu vachiuya ma-political analysts, ma-commentators, actually, Mugaberanga Ridunun. Why would he go ahead and chase Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa? Why would he go ahead and chase the vice president? Didn't he see that was going to be a trigger? You know, it's so easy to look back and then you look at dots and then you connect them and you create a narrative, you create a story. It's very easy. It's hard, however, kuti zvinhu zvichiitika on the ground in real time and then where you stand with a new idea, you stand with a unique idea, with something that have never happened before and say, now, this that have never happened before is what is going to happen in the future. Everybody, of course, will be looking at you, judging you and everything. And a lot of people will never do that. And I'm saying in 2017, for Chiwenga, General Chiwenga, to stand and say, I'm the top military boss, so I'm going to remove the president of Zimbabwe, and then we're going to replace him with the vice president. It was hard. It was something that had never happened before. Chiwenga started something new. Chiwenga wakataridza kuti une mahalabus, wakataridza kuti une something mumabhurugwa zvokuti chakamupa ushingi simba rekuita zvakaita chaizvo. Right? Now, muri Zimbabwe, we cannot look down upon Mnangagwa because the only reason why a military boss, a military general like Chiwenga would be able to stand up against the president and say the president of Guram Temo, it was because of Mnangagwa. Remember that kuti Mnangagwa gave Chiwenga the moral right, the moral power over the people of Zimbabwe. Kuti inini General Chiwenga ndiri right on when it comes to standing against the president wenyika yeZimbabwe, who is allegedly was voted for by the people muna 2013 pakaitwa mavotes pakazopera government of national unity. Anditi Chiwenga ari kubvisa munhu akapedza government of national unity akawina against vanatsangirai ari kumuti he was wrong, he was lying. Result, Chiwenga is trading, you know, from an angle wekuti anytime people can turn against you, and kind of if people ever turn against you, urupina mjere, and for life, for treason. Andidi. So Mnangagwa didn't have to face that risk exactly, which makes Chiwenga, even up to this day, a superior man over Mnangagwa. Because Mnangagwa wakatotiza munyika. He wasn't facing my risks at treason. Treason. Kunzi iwewe wamukira state, wapandukira state, kutonga netreason. We hope that will never happen to any of us panamamzinda wevan. So after that, Mnangagwa wapinda panyanga. Mnangagwa have been patient. He has been patient for a very long time until now. Maurice Babwe news rushka pa news desk kubva comrade Gungunde ngu kuti Mnangagwa finally wazoita decision yekuti akuda kudzinga Chiwenga. Anova ma 1 hour kutanga. Kunova iko kugwisana nevanhu vanga vachikusapota nguva yese. Because unfortunately, news dziri pa news desk ndedzekuti even vanhu vakaita sana Tatenda Mavetera, the minister of ICT, kamukadzaka kakanaka iri kauti akana kunaka kabare iri kemukadzi kauti kachembere. In fact, whatever you say about Tatenda Mavetera, but information iri panews desk ndekuti kuti vana Tatenda Mavetera, they are fully behind Chiwenga. They are supporting Vice President Chiwenga. Vana Monica Mutsvangwa tirikudzwa they are fully behind Chiwenga. Vari kusapota Chiwenga. Tirikudzwa kuti vana Tino Machakaire nevamwe vakasiyana siyana. Even vana John Paradza veZANU-PF Youth League, they, according to the information, they are fully behind VP Chiwenga. So who is standing with Mnangagwa? Nobody. Not even one. Unfortunately, even Tungbarara himself is said to be behind Chiwenga. And there's evidence, you know. But we're not going to repeat ourselves. But there's evidence. They're actually behind Chiwenga. So this is what is happening. For me, I wish for peace. I pray for peace. I wish for unity. Kutese tibatane sevanhu. Tigone kuvaka nyika yedu tichienda kumberi based on truth, on hard work, on merit, on humanity, ubuntu, chivanhu, etc. So let's stay here pamuzinda vanhu because tichange tichidropa more fire, more news updates. Thank you for watching. Peace.